Hello everyone. Today we will be discussing about how to state your opinions. So this is basically a very important skills. Expressing opinions, we will discuss about the personal versus general point of view, and also the neutral versus strong opinions or tones in expressing opinion. So for personal and general point of view, when you propose your personal opinions, your personal point of view, you always stating yourselves. On the other hand, when you propose general point of view, usually you cite other sources such as research or general opinion on certain topics. So, for example, some expressions you might use are some people says that blah blah blah. Many people think or believe that da 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 da. It's often said that dum 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 and so on. It is thought that it is considered that the research seems to suggest that blah 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 and so on. So there are so many expressions. When you use general or public reference to support this, to express your opinion, so it means that you use general point of view. On the other hand, the personal point of view, we will learn it a little bit in the back later on. Next is neutral versus strong statements. Using strong statements, you use, for example, showing that you 100% agree to certain things. So you use strong opinion or arguments, while the neutral one is like a little bit soft, quite subjective, but it's tend to be neutral. Just you express the opinions, but you do not emphasize your point. So, for example, the strong statements are, I strongly believe that, I have no doubt that, there is no doubt in my mind that, and so on. So with these kind of statements, you say that something strongly, you when you agree or disagree. So this is basically the summary of what we discussed about the personal point of view and the general point of view. Using the general point of view, you basically cite general opinions, people in general, research, popular opinion on these things. While the personal point of view, you can arrange it from very subjective one, the neutral one, and strong one. So in the next sections, we will discuss some neutral expressions and more advanced neutral expressions to propose your own opinions.